Every gardener dreams of finding a natural way to boost growth. When I tried this simple mix in my own garden, the results were so quick and surprising that I had to share it with you today. Start with 1 liter of milk. Yes, plain milk, the same one we drink. It's packed with calcium and nutrients that plants need but rarely get enough of. Now here comes the magic touch. Add just 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder. This golden spice isn't just for our health, it protects plants too. It fights soil pests, keeps harmful fungus away, and at the same time makes the soil healthier. Mix the milk and turmeric well until the powder blends in. What you've created is more than just a drink. It's a golden tonic your plants will love. Slowly pour this mixture around the base of your plants, letting the soil soak it up. As it goes down, it strengthens roots, boosts natural growth, and gives plants the energy to grow faster and stronger. Do this simple treatment every few weeks, and watch how quickly your garden responds. Leaves turn greener, stems grow stronger, and plants simply thrive. Sometimes nature hides its biggest secrets in the simplest things. Try this golden milk tonic once and you'll see your plants thanking you in their own way.